Hey guys, it's Asheli from Not a True Reviews, and today we're unboxing Polliwog Post. This is a monthly subscription for children ages 3 through 6. It's a sticker subscription, and for each one sold, they donate one to a child in a hospital, which is a really cool idea. You'll see as we open it what the different aspects of this subscription are. It's $7.95 a month, and I have ours comes to Oliver. It's personalized to him, and you'll see that in a second as well. I did try to make this video just a second ago, and I don't know what happened, so we're starting over. So I did already, look at the envelope, isn't it adorable? Our address is right under here, so it's so adorable. So here you pull it out and you have your card. It's like a little greeting card almost. So this month, as you see, it's by roads or river, tracks or trail. And then you can color this all in, and it prompts you, can you complete the bridge to help the bicycle get over the river? Can you spot the differences between the cars? Then you open it up and your stickers are in there, and your postcard that you can fill out is in there. You can send that to somebody. It tells you right here, Oliver, you are the coolest dude ever. I think that's cool. That's my corny sense of humor. And they can color all this in. They can put stickers all over. Can you trace the trail up the mountain? You can trace the trail. There's no way around it to the top. You sail. What do you think the train is carrying in the second carriage? So they can fill that in. Isn't that adorable? And in the back, it just tells you a little bit about Polliwog. Here is the Designed by Me postcard. And it tells you the person you're sending it to. You can tell them about Polliwog Post. And then here are our stickers. They're all little vehicles. Super cute, as you can see. If you're interested in seeing what we complete with this, check out my full blog review, which I'll link to below. I'll also link to Polliwog Post, so you can check them out. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.